In this video, we will clear the printed paint jug to the clean paint jug. So let's get into the video. Now let us see how to remove this label, the painted label from the paint boxes. Let's go. Now we will prepare the solution. See, first initially take any shampoo. The amount of the shampoo depending upon the container which you are going to clean. We are going to clean this small jug, so I am taking little amount of shampoo, plus we will be adding with turpentine for paint remover. See, the turpentine or thinner, then mix well. See, now I have mixed well, then we can add in the jug which we are going to clean. Now I am adding it on the jug. See, then scrub the shampoo well, then leave it for some time to be getting penetrated. Then you can take a scrubber, then you can slightly scratch over it. See, now the paint will be getting removed. Wait, I will remove fully throughout the jug and I will show you. See, now I have added throughout the jug. See, and then scrubbing. Now let's scrub. See, it's easily getting removed. Very easy. You can try at home. I will complete and show you fully. See, now it's going. See the jug, now the jug is completely clean. Thank you friends, see you on the next video.